Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, you guys are gonna clean with me. I mean, there's not much to clean, I think. I hope. So yeah, I just need to organize my makeup, wash my makeup brushes, probably. I need to spread my bed. There's so much to do. So I finished spreading my bed. Now we're gonna go tackle all this hair. Next, we have to do the dreadful one, my makeup. Let's go. Okay, so this is my makeup stand. Not much, but it works for me. This is cleansing oil, is finished. So I need to remove all of this, clean this, and pack everything back the way. Let's go. left now is to pack away these stuff right here. Then I'll go upstairs to vacuum clean again, and then I'll be finished. Okay, let's clean and then move on. Okay, move on. Vacuum and clean the washroom. Okay, so I had to change because I was getting very hot. So before I go upstairs, this is the last walk through the bed. So I finished vacuuming the carpet. I'm tired. Girl, I'm tired. So what I'm gonna do next is clean the washroom. And that's pretty much all I have left for today. Canada is very weird. It was snowing like 2 days ago, and now look at it outside. Bipolar. So I'm gonna go upstairs, start cleaning, and then we'll be back. Okay, so now we're in the washroom. The washroom's not really dirty, but it is. Let's see. Hello. The washroom is not that dirty, so it's the girl, speak English. The washroom's not that dirty, so I'll just wash the tub out, sweep, clean the face basins, and Okay, so I finished cleaning the tub. Now I just have this to clean. Okay, here it is. So I finished the sinks. I'm tired. Only thing I have left to do is sweep the washroom, and yeah, then we're finished. Let me show you. So we're basically finished. So I'm gonna show you, and then that's pretty much gonna be the video for today. So that was the video for today. Nothing too much. Hope you guys enjoy and like the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notification to be notified each time I post. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope to see you next time. I feel, and the next video I will be posting will be a hair wash day, so look forward to that. And this video I think will be out tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. And then the hair care one will be out on Saturday. So
That's it. Bye.